What's going on, y'all? We back at it again. D.M.W. Autos with another one. 2012 double din and backup camera installation. So let's get started with this radio removal. So first step is to unclip this trim around the radio. Oh, it should come off pretty smooth. This one looks like it's already been yanked that a little bit too. So both sides. It should come off easy just like that. That's what that looks like. So then it's just some Phillips Phillips head screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me grab those and get that removed. We'll be right back. All right, all 4 screws removed. This should come straight up. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands. I'll be right back. Had to do a little prying. I'm stuck in there pretty good, but pull this out. And then on the back, this is a SE model, so no navigation or anything crazy like that. So just 2 harnesses. This one on the right for the radio sounds and the one on the left for the antenna. So let's get this disconnected. Something to note, in the 2012s, the harness doesn't come with an accessory power, just constant and ground. So to grab your accessory power, I'll show you which wire to tap under the dash. So come under the dash right behind the e-brake. Here's the blue and red wire, and you simply just tap that, and that will give you the accessory connections. Switch power right there. The backup camera wire is running through the dash under. It's a nice little place to tuck under here, through the side kick panel, all the way down, around back. So bring it all the way back, bring it up this entire panel. You can see coming out here, through here, boom. So the last part is to get it through here. So getting on it there, and it should be good. For the backup reverse signal, it's a white and green wire under the kick panel. Pull the carpet back. It's a few of them, so you might not find it on the first one. As you see, I tapped the second one also. So just tap that and you'll get power whenever the van is in reverse. Okay, so we dropped the panel for the lift gate. Show you a small hole behind the tag. Make sure you put a grommet on it. Wire go through. We'll connect the video wire. We'll run that around and through there and get it all cleaned up. Give me a sec. Okay, finished product. Where are the keys? Turn this on.
Platforms. Rick at the Menace gang.
Hey, you rockin' with Quicksilver Show and Dominic the Diva.
That's all she wrote.
Quick.